You can be a proper Christian whilst playing the mbira. There's nothing demonic about Southern Zimbabwe. And I'm sure Dr. Guramatu agrees with me. Because the way the gospel was preached during the early years, it was preached in an anti-African way. We were told everything African was demonic. Your ancestors are demonic. I remember when I was at MSU, one of my classmates used to say, I want to pray against all my ancestors. Tati akakudza kuti vedzinza vako havadi kuti ubudirire ndanani. Akakudza kuti vedzinza redu ndo vakashata stereki. Apa ndataura neshona gozi hansoda kudisappointa vamwe vedu vari panapa. Nekuti tikada kutarisa munhoroondo vanhu vane ma-ancestors akauraya vanhu stereki tisu here kaunti nevamwe vayo. Hatina vanhu vatakauraya mu-Atlantic slave trade. We have got some of the cleanest ancestors. But unonzwa munhu aitaura ndikunamata against state wangu wakafa asina murume kuti vasanditadzise kuita murume. Akakudza kuti tete wako kana wakafa asina murume hausoda kuti uite murume ndiani. The first people to preach the gospel in Zimbabwe, they told us that the mbira was demonic. Of course, we've heard Pastor Aisa and Fungisai wachiridza mbira dzemagitare, and I've played with both of them. But kunazoona mbira chaidezi richiridzwa muchechi kana ari common sense, they are very rare. But chisingaziva ndechekuti if you look back into history, the organ, which is an ancestor of my keyboards, yes I am, and what was called the sitara, which is an ancestor of the guitar, they were used in European pagan worship. They used to call it epiclesis. You can search that word on the internet. But people think with guitar and organ, then mbira. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our national instrument. And we can make money out of this instrument. We can attract tourists. So my message to gospel musicians is, you can be a Christian and go to heaven, which is Zambira. So I would like to say to Hope, well done, Hope. Makoro, let's clap hands for Hope.
Well, it's monosophical. It is what it is. We say it like it.